look like a bronze, tanned, orange Oompa Loompa. Alright guys, so I have the foundation right here. It's the Light Illusion Luminous Makeup Nude Skin Feel All Day Wear Broad Spectrum SPF 18 Sunscreen. And I'm in the shade Nutmeg. You get 1 ounce standard foundation size. Shade range, we'll get into that in a minute. But yeah, it says sunscreen. I thought it was a foundation just because of the bottle, and I picked it up because it's $5. So I thought, oh, why not give it a try? And let's see. Yeah, it says apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure, reapply every 2 hours. I didn't watch any reviews. I searched it. There is quite a few, but from the thumbnail, it looked like they were using it as foundation. I took 2 pumps, and I just didn't want to watch it so I wouldn't be like biased or anything. And it does match my ooh, it looks a little dark. Let me see. Oh man. Okay, it's good. Yeah, it's good. It's just my face is a little lighter than my body, just because I don't let my face hit the sun. I already have my primer on and everything, so we're just gonna be focusing on the foundation. And I usually always use a brush, so we're gonna start stippling that in. Okay, it looks nice. So I'm gonna go in circular motions. Oh my gosh, this looks so dark on the face, but it matched my chest really nicely. So, oh my god, this is like rich. Oh, this is like freaking orange. Oh my gosh, and I'm about to leave. Maybe it's like this because it's sunscreen and it'll like adjust. It's a sunscreen, not a freaking tanner. But then look, it matches the neck and my chest. Alright guys, so I got my beauty blender and I'm like trying to blend it out, and like you can see the difference from my hairline, but I look like a bronze, tanned, orange Oompa Loompa. So this is a no-go, but as you can see, the coverage is pretty nice as far as for a sunscreen. Like, I can't even like shear this out and like fix it. Oh my god. It just matched my neck, and it looked like it would literally be my shade, matched my chest, and I don't know why it turned orange on me. So this was like a really big fail, and I have to go. I'm running late already, so I'm going to take this off, and then I'll be back later to share my thoughts of so far. Hey guys, so I am back. It's currently like 10 o'clock at night. When I showed you guys what the foundation looked like, that little mishap, it was 2 o'clock. And I had to be somewhere at 2:30, so I had to run out of the house and leave. But yeah, I just wanted to come back and let you guys know and talk to you guys about the foundation, because I was absolutely like appalled. We're just closing it back. I was really surprised at this because I knew it looked a little too dark, like it wouldn't be my shade. But when I did it at the store, like because it was already open, so I took an open one, the one that was open, and I put it and I swatched it on my chest. I was like, oh, this looks good. I did the flash test and it looked good. And then when I came home, so that's why I brought it. And then I got a closed one. And then when I came home, I tried it out with you guys, and I was absolutely appalled. I was orange. I was like an orange Oompa Loompa. It's rare for me to have that problem of not being able to find my foundation shade, just because I am on the medium skin tone. But when you get to the deeper, darker skin tones, it's hard for them to find foundations because it's either too dark, too red, or they just don't have it, or they have to mix shades together. So I usually don't have a problem, especially in the drugstore. There are some brands that don't cater to women of color, but for the most part, I do find my shade pretty easily. So I was like, okay. They had this shade in the store, and then they had a shade darker. And usually my local Walmart, they don't carry shades darker than me, or like 360 Mocha for Maybelline. So I was like, okay, maybe online they'll have more. I looked online. And no, they didn't have any shades darker than the second shade, which I saw. It was Nutmeg, this shade, and then lighter. And then they don't even have an undertone. It's like they just put out these dark foundations just to have, and it didn't have an undertone. Like, it didn't cater to any type of undertone. And I really debated on whether I should put this video up, and I don't want it to come off as trash talking, because I was really excited to try this foundation. If you guys could see before when I started, I was super excited to try this foundation. It was on sale, so I was like, okay, I'm going to grab it from Drew Barrymore. I love her as an actress, but I'm actually really shocked that it was orange, because like I said, freaking air. But because like I said, I never have a problem finding my shade. So imagine for people that are darker. But I'm going to just put it out there just so you guys can know to beware if you're a woman of color watching this, because there is a shade darker, and if you swatch it on your chest and you think it matches you and then you go try it, it could be too red, could come orange and just not look good, or it can make you look casket ready, it can make you look gray depending on your undertone. This, when it comes out, let me show you guys. It looks super warm. And I was like, okay, that might be alright, because my undertone, I have a very golden undertone, and especially when I'm drinking water and stuff, I'm really, really yellow, really golden, but I have a slight tan. So when I was blending it out, I was like, okay, it's starting to look really, really rich. It's starting to look not yellow, it's starting to look red. Kind of run red, look really orangey. It looks super orange when you start to blend it out. It just looks super orange. Like, this could be a color corrector for a darker woman of color. And then when I blend it out, it just looks like an orange patch. Looks like it could be like a freaking color corrector. So I was just really like taken back by it, kind of disappointed. I was super excited. The packaging is absolutely beautiful. I like that it had a pump, a cap, and everything like that. It's rare to see a drugstore foundation, but the shade range sucks, to say the least. It's really bad, and I just assumed because it was Walmart, and my local Walmart doesn't carry deeper women of color shades, so I was like, oh, they probably have more on their website. That wasn't the case, and yeah, I was just really shocked and disappointed in this drugstore line. I wish I would have watched the YouTube videos so I could have known that this was a problem, but like I said, I didn't want it to be biased or have anything like in the back of my head and be on the lookout for, or know something's wrong with it and nitpick it more and then, you know, bring that out. So I just wanted to give 100% raw review, but it didn't work for me. I couldn't wear it because I looked like an orange Oompa Loompa, and I just had to go get my New Jersey license and everything, and I was not about to be looking orange at the DMV and in my driver's license. So, and it actually started breaking me out. I'm going to get closer. Yeah, for that few minutes, I have super sensitive skin, so for that few minutes I had it on, it already started to break me out right here, all on my forehead area. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap up this video. Like I said, I debated whether I should put this up or not, but I just wanted to give you a warning for women of color so you guys can know not to get this foundation, why not to get it, why it's not good. The undertone, it just doesn't cater to any type of undertone. No woman of color has an orange undertone. We're not color correcting when we get a foundation. I expect it to work. So it's not even like it's neutral and I could have tweaked it. Like, it was orange. If it was, like, it's hard to fix an orange foundation, and I don't want to fix an orange foundation anymore. It's 2018. Brands should just be coming out with either a neutral foundation or one that fits, you know, different undertones for yellow and stuff like that. So if it's not going to be neutral, make sure it's yellow or something, but I don't want to have to color correct and have to fix the foundation. I mean, not color correct. I don't want to have to tweak it and use certain products to make it work and make it my skin tone. Not anymore. It's 2018. There's other brands that cater to women of color, so those are the brands that I will be using, like NYX, Milani, you know, Becca, like a ton of cruelty-free makeup lines, and that's what also piqued my interest, is that it's cruelty-free. I'm 100% cruelty-free for makeup, and I saw this one to give it a try, but absolutely not. They definitely need to work on the shade range, maybe if they come out with more shades, but for the most part, it's a no for me. So yeah, I'm going to let you guys go. Sorry for this hot mess of a video. It's not even a review. It was such a fail, but I just wanted to, you know, raise awareness, let you guys know what the dealio is with this foundation, and I'm just extremely disappointed. So anywho, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like if you like this video, subscribe, follow me on social media, all that jazz, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.